Hi, and welcome to this episode of Empowering Your Job Search. My name is Soozy Miller. This episode is brought to you by the Strategic Advisor Board and my company, Control Your Career. I am a certified behavioral analyst and an executive career coach. I work with executives who feel stuck in their situation. I coach executives to control their career by giving them the tools and methodology to land their next awesome opportunity and then to control their overall career path until they don't want to work anymore. So there's a lot of talk and support among people on LinkedIn right now because there have been a lot of layoffs and there are a lot of people who don't have any indication of experience as a coach trying to coach others and support others. And I understand that it's good to support other people, but sometimes it gets into people who are not in the career service industry trying to give advice about the job search and about careers and about job choices. So, for example, one woman posted on LinkedIn that she was really frustrated, that she was really upset, that she had gotten something like 500 job application rejections, and that she was just at the end of her energy and she was sick of putting time in and she didn't know what to do now. She'd been praying and praying and praying. And what's next? Like, what am I supposed to do? Help me, please. And one of the people that responded to her actually said to her, it's not you and it's not your resume. Now, this friend who had responded to her, it looks like the friend did not know this woman who's looking for the job or had not seen her resume. So I'm not sure the friend was qualified to be able to tell this woman what she's doing wrong. But I can tell you that when you're looking for a job and you don't feel like you're successful, it is possible that it's you and it's possible that it's your resume. And here's what I mean. So it might be you because if you're not seeing social cues from the interviewer during conversation, you might miss some opportunities to prove yourself. You might miss some opportunities that the interview is actually over and you keep talking. You might miss some opportunities or some indicators that things are going well or things are going not well. So it might be you that's just not seeing things the way they really are. Maybe you're just super hopeful, which is understandable, or you're super frustrated, which is understandable, but maybe you're not just seeing things during the interview that you should see. Also, it also might be you because if you are using words like passionate and self-starter and good communicator to describe your skills and to describe yourself, you're really doing yourself a disservice because you really want those adjectives and those self-descriptions to be more specific, more detailed, and you want to be able to prove them with an accomplishment. Prove them by showing how that specific skill, being passionate, how that specific skill, being a good communicator, actually benefited the companies that you've worked for. It's also possible that you're just not a match for the job. Even if you got the interview, it's possible that shortly into the interview, the company realizes that you're just not a match. And it also might be your resume. Your resume might not show everything the company needs to see. And if you're getting a lot of rejection letters, even before the interview, you just might not be suited for those jobs. You might be looking at the wrong types of jobs for yourself, or if they're right, your resume may not be showing everything that the hiring team needs to see. So it's not you, it's not your resume, not a big help. Also, may not be true. It might be you, it might be your resume. My suggestion is you try to work with a coach so that you get the best possible applications and you shorten your job search and make it much less stressful. So thank you for watching today's episode of Empowering Your Job Search. I hope this was helpful to you in your career. If you need further information, just click on the link in the description and I'll be glad to talk to you further about all of this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you get valuable daily updates. I'll talk to you soon.